We had a nice lunch at the lodge, and now we're going to go out exploring. We don't have any planned activities until later this afternoon when we go to Moi Moi Falls. We were told about a path that runs between the airstrip and the river. We were rewarded by a troupe of capuchin monkeys. We're so excited. They aren't as excited about us being here. They keep throwing termite mounds down at our heads.
Is that bits of termite mound he's trying to drop on us?
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
Because of the high waters, you're not able to do the entire path. So we are going back onto the airstrip, down to the cabanas, and then from the cabanas, we'll hit the other side of the trail. I think I have to say that our favorite moments were probably those moments where we were alone, just the two of us in the jungle. Today's adventure was rewarded with monkeys, hummingbirds, and leafcutter ants. It seems like every time we head out, we see something new. Now it's time to head back to the lodge because it is snack time. And then after that, we'll head to Moi Moi Falls.